Okay, we're back. We're on can number 2. And again, you can kind of start seeing some stuff on this left side. We're starting to see some higher pressures. On the right side, we're also seeing some higher pressures. We're at like 150 on the high side. And it's saying about 15 on the low side. We went through one whole can already. And basically, like I said, you're going to tell it gets really, really cold. Okay, then I sit here and shake it like this. You want to make sure your fittings don't come loose because they like to get loose and you'll lose a little freon if you're not careful. But we're just charging it up. So you want to, like I said, as you charge it, now if I turn this off, because it's charging right now, if I turn this all the way off, nope, it's not going down. Okay, so that's pretty good. So the other thing you want to monitor as you're doing this is, you know, as you get closer and closer to this actually being what you want, it's going to start getting cold out of here. You know, you're going to start feeling like a coldness, which I'm actually just barely starting to feel right now. Okay, so it's not just blowing air out of here. It's blowing cool air. As we put more and more Freon in it, it should get colder and colder. So that's what we're looking for. And like I said, on this side, we're looking for around, 40 is what we want to see. On this side, we want to see 200 and something. I'm going to go ahead and add another can, and we'll see what we can do.